What if you could understand an entire network in minutes? Today, let's learn Nmap. Before securing a network, professionals first need to know what devices and services are available. Nmap, or Network Mapper, helps map networks and understand connected systems. It builds a picture of a network by communicating with devices and analyzing their responses. A typical workflow starts with selecting a target network, collecting responses, and organizing the results. On systems you are authorized to assess, professionals can use Nmap to gather network information. The results help identify active devices and understand available network services. Imagine an office where administrators need a clear view of their infrastructure. Sira Masirik Dalmir view of their his. IT teams use this information for inventory, troubleshooting, and improving network visibility. This provides complete, real-time control. Always use tools like Nmap Map responsibly, and only on systems you have permission to assess. Today you learned what Nmap is, how it works, and where it is commonly used. Next, we'll explore Wireshark and learn how professionals analyze network traffic. Thanks for learning with SecureOrbit.